You're watching her talk to someone else, and you're waiting for the right line, the perfect moment to show you're different. You think you're being strategic, but she's already decided what you are. Psychology says this isn't just shyness, it's actually the interpersonal curiosity gap, and you're on the wrong side of it. A 2014 study in psychological science found that people are most drawn to those who reduce uncertainty slowly, not those who reveal everything up front. You're standing there with a full resume of your personality. She's already bored. You didn't lose because you said the wrong thing. You lost because you had nothing to discover. That's the cost of being available. Predictability kills attraction faster than bad breath. The brain treats a closed loop like a finished book. You put the book down, you don't pick it back up. So, let's fix the wiring. You've been told to listen. You nod. You ask follow-ups. You think that builds connection. It doesn't. It builds friendship. Attraction requires emotional contagion. It's the transfer of a feeling state from one person to another via limbic resonance. You feel this when someone's anxiety makes you anxious, or when someone's laughter is so sudden it shocks a smile out of you. Women don't bond over the exchange of data. They bond over the exchange of affect. If she tells you a stressful story and you reply with, "That sounds really hard," you're a mirror. But she doesn't want a mirror. She wants a mood regulator. You need to catch the emotion and then shift it slightly upward. Not fixing it, just altering the barometric pressure of the room. Now, stay with me on this. There's a moment when attraction is at its peak fragility. It's the second you try to convert interest into a request. Asking, "What are you doing Friday?" sends the brain into a risk assessment mode. The default answer is safety, and safety is no. Instead, we use prospective memory encoding. This is how you get someone to remember you without asking them to remember you. You say, "I'm about to go do X weird specific thing. Not sure if I'm going to regret it or love it." You leave. Her brain is now involuntarily simulating that scenario. She's picturing you there. She's wondering which outcome you got. You've hijacked her cognitive space without asking for permission. That's the seed of obsession. This is the most clinically proven trick in the book, and you're using it wrong. You think you need to make her feel good around you, but the brain is sloppy. The amygdala registers a racing heart and sweaty palms. It's the same way whether it's fear or lust. The famous Dutton and Arendt bridge study proved this. Men crossing a scary bridge found the female researcher more attractive. They misattributed the fear to attraction. The reality is the opposite of what you've been taught. You don't want a calm, safe coffee date. You want a slight edge. Walk fast. Talk about something with mild conflict. Watch a tense movie. The body is a liar. You just have to tell it what to call the feeling. Here's the mind blow. The part you'll send to a friend. You have been operating on a model of giving. You think, if I show her I like her, she will like me back. That's a reciprocity error. The brain doesn't value what it receives easily. The brain values what it invests in. This is the Ben Franklin effect weaponized. Franklin, hated by a rival legislator, asked to borrow a rare book. The rival lent it. They became friends. Why? Because the rival's brain had to justify the action. I lent him the book. I must like him. Stop trying to make her like you. Start giving her small, low-stakes opportunities to invest in you. Ask for an opinion on something trivial but specific. "Hey, you've got better taste than I do. Does this jacket fit weird in the shoulders?" She looks, she critiques, she touches the fabric. Her brain logs the data. I just helped him. I'm involved. That is the neural pathway to attraction. It is not a gift you give her. It's a ledger she fills out herself. Make her curious about the weather in your head, but never give her the full forecast. What's the last small, stupid thing you asked someone else's opinion on, and did it actually change your mind? If you want to understand why body language is a lie, if you want to know what your feet actually reveal, that's what we're decoding next. Stick around for that.